nagging me to fall back. I could have drowned in them, but I chose to shut them down. And I stepped up, one arduous climb at a time, until all the sweat paid off. Tonight, I can definitely say that I am where I want to be. And Luxe Beauty and Wellness Group is now where it is meant to be. Celebration of an entire year of achievements and unlocking more opportunities. At sa dami ng kailangan pagdaanan para maabot ko, masasabi kong deserve natin to be here to celebrate this milestone. Unwarranted opinions, and all other stigmas just because a year ago, I chose to confront my hesitations and started my own journey for Luxe.
It's just you and me, baby, please, you keep me breathing, my heart won't hold back, it's trust in everything, it's trust in everything.
whether in life or in business, is twice as steep and difficult to climb, not just when you are a woman.
Well,
bihag lang ang pagiging isang babae para maging successful ka sa kung ano mang larangan ang gusto mo maabot.
It's all we know. We're busy dreaming. It's all we know. We're busy dreaming. It's all we know. We're busy dreaming.